When I finished the last tour video, I thought about that I should go and check on these other apple trees over here. And then I decided that I would record along the way. As we walk up to the apple trees here. There's blueberry bushes along there, and there's other blueberry bushes further up. Now this is the apple up on the cliff, and as you can see, it's further along than the one down by the hen house. Interesting, eh? And the Ida Red, even more so. See the pink? It looks like it's going to be loaded in flowers. And remember, last year there wasn't a blossom. So, hopefully we don't have a fungal problem. And we get good apples. Look at this down here. So that mass of blossoms you see there, that's several Saskatoon berries, service berry, going from there down to the road. Just a sea of white blossoms. Wild currants. However, that berry there really is growing up in response to me putting that dead edge along here. See, like it was probably there as a small plant before, or would have been, but you know, underneath this dead edge stuff, sometimes you can get the perfect conditions then for those to grow. And it looks like that's what that happened there. They, after when I put that there last year, that bush just took right off. We'll see what happens and what kind of berries we get off it come later the year. So the top of that tree there fell right down, tip hit there, and it fell out here. You see, that's why I'm not really tore up about having to cut down my firewood here, is because those trees, they're old, and you never know when one of them is going to snap off or blow down. So if I take all of these old spruce here out of it, then you'll have a younger forest that is safer growing up. I mean, it's not that I'm short on tree seedlings that I can move around, because these can't grow right here or right under the pole line. And I got maple tree seedlings coming up all over the place. Guess I'll walk over closer. You see? Since I went to check on the Ida Red, I decided to come up and check on things up above. And I'm running my phone on the gimbal now. Gives you a nice steady shot and all, so This is much nicer than the other camera. And yesterday I was using the other program that didn't adjust the brightness of the screen, so I couldn't see the screen very well. Actually, I couldn't see the screen at all. It was a sunny day. So that's the blueberries. They're out and the buds are coming out. So I went back to just the camera program that comes with the phone. I can walk around like this, and you got a nice steady walk with me type of video. See, this is the red mulberry up above. Still haven't cut up that tree. There's bulbs in the ground up here, and when they start to grow, technically I could dig them up and bring them down below, but I really don't know how things are going, so digging up a bunch, how I'm going to have things done, it's just like I got a plan or not have a plan, but in the end it's going to come together like something of a forest. This one is the first one to show signs of life. See, that leaf is almost ready to break open here now. You don't have to look at them all, because these are the ones that are growing the best. And that's the Osage orange, and they're not, they're just showing signs of bud break right there, look, right by that thorn. So the Osage orange are just starting to grow. Now, we've seen some life starting on those couple of black locusts down below. Moose damaged some of these, but yes. So they're coming out even better than what it was down below. So that's that one. See, the moose has been damaging this one, you see? So, I don't know. And the same thing with that one over there. I just have to wait and see what happens. This one, the leaves are actually starting to open. So that's okay. And we do even have native plants that don't open until really late. Damson is a prime example of things that open up late. You see, the leaves are just barely opening on these things. Now, if it would flower, it'd be nice. Now, for the honey locusts, they're not taken off by any stretch of the imagination, but they are starting to come back. You see, the sprouts just sprouting, just like you've seen on the Osage orange. And so this is how nature looks. It's now June the 3rd. Most of this video is about the scenery and not about the talk. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next video.